Welcome student to the today's online class. Today we are going to discuss about merging of worksheet. That is what happens. So first of all, what is merging document? Sometimes it happens that multiple users or reviewers, they return edited version of worksheet at the same time of the same document. So in that case, what happens, it is very difficult for a person to open each and every document and find out the changes. So what other users have done, so for this purpose what we can do is we can merge the different documents that are edited by the different users and in a single sheet, and this option can be done by using the edit, changes and merge document. Okay, so let us actually how it works, let us see by taking an example practically. So here I have a file, it is named as new class 10 practical file, and I saved it already, and I make some changes over here. Okay, so I just add two values. Before that I make it record the changes and enter the values. 2 values I entered over here, 1800 and 1900, and then I go to the file menu and save as, and here I want to save this file with another name, new class 10 practical 2. Okay, and after that just save it. Now after that what have to do, we just have to select the original document, the first document that we have created. So just open the original document, open file, open, and this one is the original document, and open. Okay, then what you have to do, I will go to the edit menu, then changes, and then merge document. So here when you now it is showing merge with, so we are currently in a new document. Here we have to select the document that we want to merge with our original document. So here I want to merge the new class 10 practical file with new class 10 practical file 2. Okay, from this file with this file I have to merge. So you will select the new file that we have created, that is the new class 10 practical 2. Okay, I select it and open it. Okay, as soon as you click on open, you can see here that certain changes that are made are displayed over here. Okay, like in new class 10 practical only 1200 to 1700 values are there, but in the new class 10 practical 2 we have added two values, 1800 and 1900, and that are showing here also. These are the values that are showing here. Okay, and the changes that we have made is also listed here, the list of the changes that we have made in the last in our original document, and also that changes we have made is highlighted with the red border. That changes we have made is with a highlighted in the red border. So whatever changes are made over here is it was displayed over here. Okay, if you want to accept the changes, you can accept it, or you can reject it also by accepting the changes that much changes you want to accept. You can select from the list and accept it, and also reject it. I just here I want to accept all the changes, and just I select the both the changes. I want to select both the changes. To select the changes, all changes or different changes, you have to press your control key and your left mouse button one by one. You can select all the changes. Now after that you accept all. Click on the accept all. Okay, so here after accepting, so all the changes that is made in the original document, but that is saved in another file, that is new class 10 practical 2. But after merging the document, merging the original document with the new document, that is the data saved in another document, new practical class 10 practical 2, and after merging, the data that are stored in another document is reflected over here. Okay, so multiple users have sending various edited version, and you can use this merge option, and then what you can do is you can simply merge those changes in one single file. Okay, so this is your merging of document, and it can easy our work. Okay, so go through this. Thank you.